Hello everyone, welcome to part one on making animation on Scratch. Yeah, in the introduction, I talked about some things we're going to be using, what you should click on, and how we're going to make it so animated. When I ended it, I talked about making the animation lively by changing the player's mouth. So as I was explaining that, yeah, what I was saying was if you watch it, please watch it if you have not seen the introduction. It's gonna really help out. So I zoomed out and I clicked on every face or mouth and I said we're going to be shrinking it into different sizes and things like that and changing it like maybe five costumes like that. So to be changing, gonna code that and it's going to keep on moving. So in this part one, we're going to start the animation. In the introduction, I told you you have to plan what you want. So we're going to be taking the first step. I've planned mine, and I said in the introduction that when I want to code, I'm going to use this Avery. I'm going to use the Avery, the costume, the first costume, the second costume. I'm going to be using it for the introduction. So Avery's gonna give an introduction. That's what's gonna happen. She's gonna be like, "Hi, my name is this, that. My name is Fernanda, so I named her Fernanda. That's why you're saying this name. But my name is Avery. If you go to your sprite costume, so there. So we can start now. So I'm gonna just go to this place. Please really watch the intro. You hear so many things I said. Please watch. It's just 6 minutes, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So please watch it. Yeah, so I'll be going to my looks. I want to just hide this stuff. Yeah, yeah. So I can position every. So now it's not compulsory you must be doing exactly what I'm doing. It's just giving an idea if you want to make any animation. So it's going to be really helpful to do many things. Please don't just copy what I'm doing because what I'm doing is for it's actually for a purpose. It's for a purpose. So don't just copy it. So how to do animations next example for you that so I'm going to every here so she's going to be in the middle. Let's hear about here yeah, that's okay for her. Then I'm going to be changing our costumes, so I'm just showing you. I'm going to click when flag clicked. I'm using phone now, so I'm managing myself because my laptop is not it's presently not with me. So I'm going to switch costume to this costume now is Avery B. So I'm going to switch costume to Avery A. So that's Avery when her hand is at her back. So there. So we're going to switch costume to that. Um, let's see. So I want us to go to a particular position. So I'm going to go to my motions and go to this position. So that should be before any code. So she'll go to the position she's in right now. Scratch is already put it here, -3, -4, 6. So there. Now, after this, I want her to say something. As I said in part one, I'm sorry, in the introduction, we're gonna borrow the text to speech extension over here. It's a very nice extension. Because you'll be able to like do many things. You're going to be able to speak. Like if I tap on this, you see what's gonna happen. Hello. You see that? So when you want to use text to speech, you first take this one. So let me just show an example of that. So wait, now she's here. What do I want to say? I want to say, hello, my name is Fernanda, because that's my name. So the first thing you want to do when you want to use text to speech, this is very, very important. You must take this set voice to first. That must be the first thing you take out there. This first voice to actually it changes the voice of the player. You're telling the scratch this is the voice I want my player to say. So I'm just going to do that. Let me show you an example. So next one, you just take the speak, the first one. And set language English, there's no need for that. There's no need for the set language to English. But if you want to, you put it before all of them. So there we go. The three of them should be there. Yeah, the three of them should be there. So they're like set language English first, set voice to next, and speak alone. So it's like going, if you look at text to speech, going from up to down there. So you must put these three there. So good. So as I was saying, what does this set voice to do? Okay, if I click this now,
Hello.
yeah, that's it. And sorry, it's Avery B. I'm using.
Hello.
Good. That's what we need. So you heard the hello that is. So if I put a tenor now, I click
Hello.
it. Can you see that?
Hello.
Yeah. Then squeak,
Hello.
then giant,
Hello.
and the most ridiculous one is kitten. Doesn't make any sense.
Meow. Meow.
I don't think anybody should be able to understand that. So
Meow.
Avery is a girl, so I'm setting it to alto. It can either be alto or squeak because the two of them are like girly voice. So alto and squeak is for a girl. Tenor and giant is for um a boy or a man, and kitten is preferably not for anybody. Yeah. So I don't even know why that's here. So that's it. So what do I wanted to say? So you're just gonna write it there. This tutorial will soon come to an end because I'm just showing an introduction. And if you want to do make an animation, so I want to say hello. My name is Fernanda. There. So if we kind of try this stuff.
Hello. My name is Fernanda.
That is very good. Wait, let me try this stuff.
Hello. My name is Fernanda.
Okay, I just prefer my auto. There. Although if you want to use your voice, you can go to sounds and record yourself saying something, which is actually the best. So I'm going to give that example before we end this tutorial before it becomes 10 minutes. So we go to our sound. So you can record your sound. So you can just like record. Like how do you record? You go down to this place here. You click there. You see search. You see that's the second one with that voice stuff is record. And you can also upload, which is the very first one, or I could say the last one there. Upload, and this one is that one is like a plus or a star, not a star, a plus with stars around it. That one is like you just click it and it will bring anyone scratch chooses for you. That's about that one. Yeah. So those are the two ways you can animate your character to say something. The best one is use text to speech, but the one that's actually still very good. You may want to make an animation that your voice is the one sounding, so that's where you use your sounds, and it's much easier because you don't have to code this many things. Although you may still use broadcast and custom blocks, my blocks. You don't have to be doing this set language to set voice to speak in this text to speech stuff. Yeah, so that's why. Yeah. So this is the end of this part one, which is basically on the player's ability to speak. We're coming up for part two, which is very interesting. You know what I'm saying when you get part two. So thank